This is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. First of all, you will need to launch the calendar app. Then select the date that you would like to link an event for, or to rather. So let's say I'll choose some day in the April of this year, let's see, the 5th. Then at the bottom left corner of your display, tap at the plus icon, choose the An Event option, and then simply fill out the details of your event, starting with the title that this event will have, timeframes, repetitiveness, invite some members perhaps, add the link to the video conference, set the location that this event will take place at. So let's say you can also choose when you would like to be notified about this event. So let's say at the same day at 9 AM or 2 days before the event at some other custom time. You can change the color that this event will have inside the calendar, add some description, attach a file if necessary, and then save. Here is my event. By tapping on it, I can check its details or edit the details by tapping at the pencil icon over here, or I can simply delete an event entirely. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.